everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with a video. I was on vacation past couple weeks, and when I got back, I was just exhausted. And so I'm here today to share. I think I have 2 pages to share with you all because I did post ahead of time um, with some of the open collabs that I'm participating in. So this is hashtag um, color and create with us, You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art. And I wanted to get into coloring again, just coloring just for fun, um and I didn't realize that Amazon had these coloring books, and apparently there's a whole bunch of different ones, and Patty has some and all that. Um so I wanted to take part in this collab, and so let me share my two. So I'm only doing the coloring. I'm hoping maybe along the further along I will share something that I'm creating. I'm not creating anything today. I just cleared my desk. As you can see, it's a lot. It's not so cluttered with with stuff. I kind of rearranged how my desk looks, but it still needs a lot of work, and I need to really go through my room anyway. So let's share. What week was that? I know I shared this. There was, nope, this one. So this was for July 22nd, that I colored, and I even colored the background. I really don't, but I figured she's a mermaid and I wanted it to look like the ocean. I colored the bubble. So I've been using my color pencils because I do not want the ink to bleed through. And I really love this little mermaid. So pretty. Okay, so that was last week's. And then this week is this one. And I have to say, I love the background. The black background just pops the color of the flowers and the leaves. And I also use different colors to accent the flower. This one is supposed to be pink, but it looks like a light blue or a purple, but on my end it's not. So yeah, this is the for July 29th. Oh my god, I'm so out of practice. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I hope to be back with Artisan Journal Prompt. I am so behind, guys. I'm 3 weeks behind. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.